We're good as a city. We've been talking about sea level rise for a year. This allows people to understand some of the tangible things they can do, some of the things we can do as a government. It's really engaging people in the process of really being part of the solution to the biggest problem we have.
We talked about planning efforts, and that planning includes policy, regulations, incentives that could be available. We talked about actual physical building adaptation. What can property owners do to adapt their buildings to a future of rising tides? This community is determined that sea level rise issues are a significant threat to the future. 86% indicated that this is something they need to work on now.
We're trying to get as many people behind saving this city as we can.